Shri Bhagwati, manufacture customized, solid-dose granulation line. In a solid-dose granulation line, a vibrosifter might be used at various stages, such as post-milling or before the final blending, to ensure that only particles are. In the context of a solid-dose granulation line, the paste kettle is commonly used to prepare a granulating binder solution. This solution is then added to the dry powders during the wet granulation process to form granules. The rapid mixer granulator is an essential piece of equipment in the pharmaceutical industry, providing efficient, consistent, and scalable granulation, which is crucial for high-quality solid dosage forms. Tablet production. RMGs are widely used in the production of tablets, where uniform granules are essential for consistent tablet weight, hardness, and dissolution properties. In a solid-dose granulation line, the multimill is typically used after the drying process to break down granules to the desired size before they are blended and compressed into tablets. In a solid-dose granulation line, the fluid bed dryer is typically used after the wet granulation process. In pharmaceutical manufacturing, the octagonal blender is typically used after granulation and drying. In a solid-dose granulation line, a ribbon blender is used primarily for dry mixing of powders and granules. For inquiry, contact below mobile number or email address.